How to easily remove dried hot glue from fabric.
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common yet sometimes frustrating issue: how to effectively remove dried hot glue from fabric. This process can be tricky, but with patience and the right approach, you can save your fabric from unwanted glue stains. Let's jump right in and get that hot glue out.
Why is removing hot glue tricky?
Hot glue dries quickly and strongly adheres to fabric, making it a bit challenging to remove. Its composition allows it to seep into the fibers, forming a strong bond. The key to removal is to break this bond without damaging the fabric underneath. Safety is important, so always be mindful of the fabric type to prevent any irreversible damage.
What do you need?
You'll need a few simple household items for this task. 1. Ice cubes or a freezer. 2. Blunt knife or a plastic scraper. 3. Iron. 4. Brown paper or baking parchment. 5. Soft cloth or sponge. 6. Rubbing alcohol, optional.
How to remove the dried hot glue.
Here are the steps to follow. 1. Freeze the glue. Place the glue-stained fabric in the freezer for about 30 to 45 minutes. The cold will harden the glue, making it easier to scrape off. Alternatively, you can rub ice cubes on the glue until it hardens. 2. Scrape off the glue. After freezing, use the blunt knife or plastic scraper to gently scrape off the hardened glue. Make sure not to apply too much pressure to avoid tearing the fabric. 3. Apply heat. If some glue still remains, set your iron to a medium heat setting. Place a piece of brown paper or baking parchment over the glue spot, then iron over it. The heat will melt the glue, which will then stick to the paper. Repeat until most of the glue is gone. 4. Clean the fabric. After removing as much glue as possible, wash the fabric as per its specific washing instructions. If the fabric is delicate, you might want to spot clean it with a soft cloth or sponge. 5. Use rubbing alcohol. For stubborn glue stains, dampen a cloth with a little rubbing alcohol and gently dab at the stain until it's gone. Be careful, as this may not be suitable for all fabric types. And that's it. With a little patience and these easy steps, you can successfully remove dried hot glue from fabric. Remember to always be gentle to avoid damaging your fabric. We hope this video has been helpful, and you can now confidently tackle those stubborn glue stains. Until next time.